ever betray me, because I'll cut your pretty cock right off and wear it round me neck. I was good. I was very, very good.
I'm Sansa Stark of Winterfell, and you can't frighten me.
Do you want my brother to come in and help? Will you rip my pretty silk dress? I'll blacken your eye.
Now your time is up and I think you know. Now it's time for me. I said it's time to stop this show.
Ieri você, ieri padrino.